This is Realme 12 Plus, and today I'll show how you can hard reset this smartphone through its recovery mode. So to start, you will need to simultaneously press the volume up and power buttons and power off your device by sliding this circle to the power off. Once your phone is entirely shut down, simultaneously press and hold the volume down and power keys and let them go once you either feel a subtle vibration or you simply see the Realme logo. So now we should be booted directly into the recovery mode. Yep, so select what language you would like to have it in. Most probably you'll go with English, as me. Then here select and tap at the format data, then input the code that your phone will have here. Mine is 7947. Yours will be different, obviously, so do not copy my code, input yours. Then here tap at the format, and now simply wait for this process to elapse. So the factory reset process is finished. Now reboot your phone and set your system up, which we have a whole separate video about. So if you're interested in, if you're interested with any kind of guidance or assistance regarding the initial setup procedure, make sure to check the aforementioned video out. You can just use the channel search and, feed the search query that will go something like Realme 12 Plus, phone setup or initial setup. So now simply let's wait for this menu to appear, which will be a guaranteed indicator that the hard reset process went successfully. And then I will finish the video. So here is the initial setup. So that'll be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.